Number 15 is Mimi Jacinto. And candidate number 16, Miss Jasmine Ann Ancheta. Ladies and gentlemen, these conclude our national costume competition. Let's give them a round of applause.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, ladies. It has been grand and laborious. Thank you very much.
I'm sure we're giving a hard time to our judges.
I don't know what the judges are going to be doing right now. I see them shaking their heads.